JD Cap 26 here to do the tips and repairs and hobbies. And we've got the SharpenAir tool here. And we've got a needle. Let's see if we can get this needle out. It takes a while to get those out. Okay, we got it out. It's about a 15 millimeter needle. It's kind of dirty. It's got to be cleaned. This is the SharpenAir, the green model. And this is the top of it. Right here. So you want to start from this side to this side, and what you want to do is you want to put the needle in, and see if this is bent. You can bend this back with a pair of flat nose pliers very, very gently, or between two pieces of wooden block. It's not bent right now, but I just want to show you the procedure of this. And right here, if you get this from Spray Gunner, you have this sticker on here that shows you where to get the instructions, which is right there. So you want to stick the needle in here like this in the hole. And you want to go clockwise 15 turns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Then you want to go to the next one. And you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15. Like that. Then you go to the next one. They actually should number these. I don't know why they don't number the tops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And you'll progressively see, you can check after each station, you know, how you're coming along on the needle. And then you want to put it in the last one here. It's so sharp, it's just hard to get that in there. So you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 15. Yeah, 13, 15, 14, 15. So you'll feel the how it's honing each part in each station of this SharpenAir, and it's a really good tool. It really reconditioned this needle. And after that, you want to take this kit that comes along with it, and it has a little polishing rag in here, and it has, I believe this is aluminum oxide paste. And what you do is you dip the needle in, the tip, like that, in the aluminum oxide. Then you take the rag and you just polish it. You turn it inside the rag just to polish it like that. Okay, just the tip of it. Okay, and that just takes all the rough edges off. What you have just did with the honing stones with the SharpenAir. You see it's a little bit brighter there. So let's close this up before we lose any of it. Tighten that up right there and put it back in the bag. Keep all your stuff together so you know what goes with what. When I first got this kit, I didn't realize what this little kit was, this little paste and everything, because it wasn't inside the box. It was separate from the box. After you do that, take some acetone, and you're going to take the acetone and you're going to get some tissue over here, okay, and you're going to wet the tissue with the acetone. Okay, take the needle from the end and wipe it clean. See the dirt there? See it right there? Get it nice and shiny. After that, okay, put that to the side. Put the acetone to the side. Then you want to take, we have some glycerin, okay, and you take the needle and you dip the tip in the glycerin, let it drip a few times, and then some tissue again, and put some glycerin on the needle. Okay, nice thin coat, you know, not a big glob. Don't leave a big glob on the needle. Okay, nice thin coat. So you know you got a needle that's all ready to go next time you need it. So you want to put that to the side there. You want to put it back into its tube and cap it off so when you need it. That's the procedure of how to use the SharpenAir. It's not too hard. Get yourself a bottle of glycerin, get yourself a bottle of acetone for your needles. You know, you're going to need those two things. The glycerin you should have in your supply, because you mix glycerin to make thinner, and the acetone is to clean the needles mostly. I don't suggest using that inside the airbrush on a regular basis because of the seals on some airbrushes. So you don't want to do that, okay? But that's the SharpenAir, and it's a great little thing, a great little tool. Whoever thought of this, absolute genius, really. And we'll put it back in the box. Oh, I forgot. You have this pad afterwards. After you run it through the SharpenAir, you can use this pad and just polish it out, polish the needle out more, and then go to the paste, the oxide paste. Okay. I will put these instructions below in the comments and also in the description for you. And I hope you have a nice day. I hope this helped you. And please rate and subscribe. Give me the thumbs up if you like this information, or the thumbs down if you don't. And we'll see you next time in probably another model video if we don't have any other repairs to do. And have a nice day.